So let's say you're passionate about children and you want to start your own early childhood institution. This is the video for you. All right, so here at Edunomics, we focus on training and upskilling of individuals ranging from nursing courses to early childhood courses. Now, what we're going to be covering today is how to start a early childhood school in Jamaica. All right, so we're going to give you the step-by-step process of how to do that. Now, step one, are you passionate about early childhood education? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself. Why am I starting this? Do I love children? Do I want to shape the next generation? Now, the second step, which is step two, you need to find a location. The location must be child friendly, safe, and properly zoned and secured. Now, if you want to rent, that is okay. If you want to build, that is okay. So you're going to go through that process with the parish council and all of that. And once you have your building secured, you will need to get your inspection from the fire brigade and the public health authority. Step three, you're going to need to get passport size photos, character references, a registration fee, staff credentials, which includes police records, medical, food handlers permits, fire and health inspection reports, floor plan, and a list of equipment. You're going to get all of those documents together. So step three, get your documents together. Step four, you're going to register with the Early Childhood Commission. So you're going to visit ecc.gov.jm or one of their offices for the application form, and you're going to complete that form, and then you're going to follow the step-by-step process to becoming a certified and licensed institution. Now, while that is going on, step five, you need to build your program. So you're going to create your curriculum based off the Jamaica Early Childhood Standards. You're going to hire your teachers. You're going to ensure that you have your daily routines. The health and safety of the children must be there. And you're going to have your safety policies.